This is the roof forming machine. In the beginning, the machine is started. After that, raw material is fed into the machine. Then, dimensions and quantities are set. After that, machine forms sheet into roofing. The machine cut the sheet as per dimension. This machine has forming speed of 15 to 25 meters per minute. This is the step tile roll forming machine. First, the raw material is fed into the machine. The machine has hard chrome coated rollers for forming. This machine has forming speed of 4 to 7 meters per minute. The machine is equipped with hydraulic driving, cutting, and crimping system. Various shapes of tiles are formed according to the need. The machine is fully automatic and requires fewer employees to operate.